breaking news on your channel. Ramalinga Raju, he's finally been remanded to judicial custody, which means he will be imprisoned. That's the big breaking news on Times Now. Ramalinga Raju has been remanded to judicial custody following one of the biggest scam that's hit India Inc. After being interrogated for over 18 hours and after the Economic Offences Wing has given the green signal to SEBI to probe into this particular case, Ramalinga Raju has finally been sent to judicial custody till the 23rd of January, which essentially means that he will not be getting bail. 23rd of January is essentially 14 days there were technical legal experts who said that he might not get bail actually for the next 14 days, and it seems like that's really the case, as Satyam's Ramalinga Raju has now been sent to judicial custody till the 23rd of January. He was arrested by the CBCID late on a Friday night. Raju was taken to the residence of a magistrate for remand extension, and he has now been remanded to judicial custody. Technically, I think that was the case, is that everybody was talking about that for the next 14 days he might not get bail, and that's exactly what has happened. Ramalinga Raju has now been taken into judicial custody. His lawyers have been trying hard to press for a bail, but looking at the magnitude of the fraud which has been unearthed, it was looking largely impossible for Ramalinga Raju to get bail, and that's exactly what's happened, as a tainted Satyam chief is now going to be behind bars.